हेलो सोल फैमिली, कैसे हैं आप लोग। आई होप आप सब लोग बढ़िया होंगे। और आज मैं एक नए डेक का रिव्यू लेके आई हूँ और फ्लिप थ्रू लेके आई हूँ। ये लॉर्ड हनुमान सेज डेक है और ये राज बाला गर्ग द्वारा बनाया गया है। इसमें जो मैसेजेस लिखे हैं वो राज बाला गर्ग जी ने लिखे हैं और शिवम गर्ग जी इसके डिज़ाइनर हैं। ये 72 डिवाइन गाइडेंस के मैसेजेस हैं लाइफ की हर सिचुएशन और चैलेंजेस को लेके। तो हर ये जो 72 कार्ड्स का डेक है ये मैं रीडिंग्स में यूज़ कर रही हूँ, मुझे पसंद आया। और अब मैं ना थोड़ा इंडियन टैरो या इंडियन ऑरिकल कार्ड्स की तरफ ग्रेविटेट करती हूँ, क्योंकि मैं काफ़ी माइथोलॉजी पढ़ती हूँ। तो मैं रिलेट कर पाती हूँ इंडियन कार्ड से, मुझे डिटेल में समझ में आता है और मुझे एक्सप्रेस करने में काफ़ी अच्छा लगता है। और ऐसा नहीं है कि मुझे फॉरेन के या अमेरिकन कार्ड्स पसंद नहीं हैं। जो बाकी ऑरिकल कार्ड्स आते हैं जो फॉरेन डिज़ाइनर्स ने या फॉरेन क्रिएटर्स ने बनाए हैं वो भी मैं यूज़ करती हूँ, लेकिन आजकल मैं इन कार्ड्स की तरफ ज़्यादा ग्रेविटेट कर रही हूँ। ये कार्ड्स बुक्स वैगन पे अवेलेबल नहीं है, मैंने चेक किया था। ये कार्ड्स मैंने अमेज़ॉन पे ऑर्डर किए हैं और ये अराउंड मुझे 999 या 1000 या 1100 ऐसे के पड़े थे। और अमेज़ॉन पे कभी ग्रेट ऑफर्स चल रहे होते हैं या अमेज़ॉन बिग बिलियन सेल होती है तो ये आपको थोड़े और 50 या 100 रुपीज़ और चीपर में मिल जाएंगे। वहीं हर कार्ड पे मैसेज लिखा हुआ है, क्या मैसेज है, और रेमेडी भी दी गई है। तो कुछ मैं रेमेडीज आपको पढ़ के सुनाऊंगी, मैसेजेस तो मैं आपको सारे ही पढ़ के सुनाऊंगी। तो चलिए शुरू करते हैं। थोड़ा लंबा वीडियो हो सकता है क्योंकि 72 कार्ड्स हैं, तो थोड़ा पेशेंटली रहिएगा और वीडियो को एंड तक देखिएगा। Hope, be a beacon of hope, as I brought hope to Sita in her captivity. Offer support and encouragement to those who are struggling. Remedy, offering a red flag or banner. This symbolizes victory, protection, and Hanumanji's presence. Speak the truth. Speak the truth fearlessly as I spoke before Ravana. Uphold honesty and integrity even in the face of adversity. Remedy, wear lapis lazuli crystal, apply orange tilak on throat on Tuesday. Protect the weak. Use your strength to protect the weak and defend the righteousness. Employ your abilities to help those in need and uphold justice. Inner peace. Inner peace and calmness are yours to claim. Lesson from Hanuman's inner peace, which come from his devotion to Lord Ram. True devotion. True devotion is unwavering. Like my devotion to Rama, cultivate steadfast faith and commitment in your pursuits. Show compassion. Blessings follow acts of compassion. As I was blessed for my selfless service, live a life of kindness and receive divine favor. Devotion is perfection. Your devotion is your protection, as Rama's name protected me. Cultivate unwavering faith as a shield against negativity. Honesty is the key. Be a champion of the truth, as I always spoke truthfully to Rama. Maintain honesty and integrity in all your interactions. Take divine guidance. Divine guidance is always available. As Rama always guided me, open yourself to receiving messages from a higher power. Self discipline. Control your senses as I mastered mine for inner peace, self respect, self practice self discipline and moderation to achieve tranquility. Be adaptable. Be more adaptable and resourceful as I adapted my form and strategies to different situations. Flexibility and problem solving skills are valuable. Continuous learning. Embrace continuous learning as a lifelong journey as I continue to learn and grow throughout my service to Ram. Never stop seeking knowledge and expanding your understanding. Serve with heart. Serve with a pure heart, expecting nothing in return as I served Ram. Perform your duties selflessly and without seeking personal gain. You will be recognized. Your dedication will be recognized as my devotion was recognized by Ram. Remain committed to your path and your efforts will be acknowledged. Gratitude. Show gratitude for the blessings in your life as I was grateful for the opportunity to serve Ram. Appreciation amplifies positive energy and attracts more blessings. Unexpected guidance. Be open to unexpected guidance as I received help from various beings in my quest. Be receptive to messages from different sources. Build stronger relationships. Integrity is the foundation of trust, as Ram trusted me implicitly because of my honesty. Uphold ethical principles to build strong relationship and earn respect. Victory ahead. True victory is not just external but internal mastery. As I conquered my own senses and desires, focus on inner growth and self control as the ultimate achievement. Wisdom for purpose. Wisdom is not just knowledge, but it's application in service of good. As I use my wisdom to serve Ram, use your knowledge for positive purposes and to help others. True purpose. Serve selflessly as I served Ram and find your true purpose. Dedicate yourself to a cause greater than yourself. Solitude. Embrace solitude for introspection and self discovery as I often retreated to nature for contemplation. Take time for reflection and connect with your inner self. Trust in divine. Unwavering faith guides you through darkness as my faith guided me to Sita. Trust in the beliefs even when facing difficult times. Uplift others. Use your strength to uplift others, not to dominate them, as I use my power to serve Ram and protect the innocents. Employ your abilities for the benefit of all, not for personal gain. Integrity. Your actions define you. As my actions defined my devotion, live a life of integrity and purpose. Be brave. Your courage inspires others as my bravery inspired the Vanaras. Empower others by facing your own fears. Joy of giving. Selfless service is its own reward. As I found fulfillment in serving Rama, find joy in helping others without seeking personal gain. Resilience. Bounce back from failure. Even when captured or facing defeat, he found a way forward. Gain true knowledge. True knowledge is found through experience and devotion. As I learn through my service to Ram, seek wisdom through practical application of faith. Take risks. Don't be afraid to take risks. As I risked everything to serve Ram, step outside your comfort zone and embrace opportunities for growth and manifestation. Commitment. Be loyal to your commitments as I was loyal to Ram. Honor your promises and remain steadfast in your dedication. Show loyalty. True loyalty is tested in times of adversity, as mine was during Ram's exile. Remain faithful even when faced with challenges. Learn from the past. Learn from the past as I learned from my mistakes and triumphs. Use your experiences as a foundation for future growth. Give support. Be a source of strength in times of weakness, as I strengthen Ram's army, offer support and encouragement to those who are struggling. Believe in possibilities. The future is full of possibilities. As my future unfolded in service of Ram, approach the unknown with optimism and faith. Stand up for right. Uphold righteousness. As I fought alongside Ram against evil, stand up for what is right and oppose injustice. Self confidence. Believe in your abilities as I believed in my strength and devotion to Ram. Self confidence and belief in your potential are crucial. Strength. True strength is not in muscles but in devotion. As my power come from Ram, recognize the source of your strength and connect with it. Focus on your goals. Focus your mind like I focused on Ram to achieve your goals. Cultivate concentration and mental clarity to manifest your desires. Perseverance. Perseverance is the key as I never give up on finding Sita. Maintain unwavering dedication to your goals even when faced with obstacles. Determination. Overcome obstacles with unwavering determination as I overcome countless challenges in my quest. Accept challenges on your manifestation journey and face them with resilience. Fearlessness. Let go of the fear and embrace courage. As I face countless battles, confront your fear with bravery and determination. Collaborate. Even the strongest need support as I relied on the Vanara army. Recognize the importance of community and collaboration. Believe in your potential. Never underestimate your potential. As I discovered mine in service, recognize the immense power you hold within. Humility. Humility is the mark of true greatness. As I always remained humble, Ram's humble servant, recognize your limitations and remain grounded. Align with your values. Find your purpose by aligning with your values as I aligned my purpose while serving Ram. Discover your true calling by living in accordance with your beliefs. Improve your focus. The power of a focused mind can achieve incredible things. As my focused devotion allowed me to perform extraordinary deeds. Cultivate concentration and mental clarity to achieve your goals. Feel your manifestation. Feel the joy of your manifestation as if it has already happened, as I felt joy in serving Rama. Embody the feeling of having already achieved your desires to attract them into your reality. Conquer the inner demons. Conquer your inner demons as I conquered the obstacles in Lanka to achieve true liberation. Overcome negative thoughts, habits, and limiting beliefs. Overcoming limitations. Cross your ocean of doubt with leap of faith. As I leaped across the sea, overcome your limitations by believing in your capabilities. Mental clarity. Master your mind as I mastered mine to achieve clarity and focus. Practice mental discipline to achieve inner peace and concentration. Divine plan. Trust the divine plan and as I trusted Rama's plan, have faith that everything is unfolding as it should. Adaptability. Adaptability is the key to overcoming obstacles as I adapted my form to different situations. Be flexible and resourceful in the face of challenges. Burn ego. Burning away your ego like I burned Lanka for true transformation. Let go of the pride and arrogance to allow for personal growth. Faith. Lift your burdens with unwavering faith as I lifted the mountain. Face challenges with the same faith that allowed me to carry Dronagiri. Take action. Take inspired action as I leaped across the ocean to bridge the gap between your desire and its manifestation. Manifestation requires action. Be open to intuitive nudges and take steps forward towards your goals. Connect with inner self. Find your inner Rama, the source of your strength and inspiration. Connect with your inner self and find your guiding light. Patience. Patience is the key. As I patiently search for Sita, cultivate patience and trust the divine timing. Growth mindset. Cultivate a growth mindset, believing in your ability to learn and improve as I constantly honed my skills and abilities. Be a warrior. Be a warrior against negativity, both within and without. As I fought against evil alongside Ram, protect yourself from negative influences and cultivate positive thoughts. Embrace challenges. Embrace challenges as opportunities for growth. As I faced many trials, view difficulties as stepping stones on your path to self improvement. Find solutions. Use your intelligence to find solutions as Hanumanji did in Lanka. Clearly communicate with the universe. As I delivered Rama's message to Sita, be a clear and confident messenger of your intentions to the universe. Clearly define and communicate your desires to the universe. Faith in tough times. Even in the moments of doubt, hold on to the faith. As I held on to my faith in Ram during difficult times, maintain your belief system even when faced with uncertainty. Embrace challenges. Excuse me. Embrace changes. Embrace change as a path to grow. As I underwent many transformations in my journey, be open to new experiences and personal evolution. Surrender pride. Transformations comes from letting go of the ego. As I let go of my own desires to serve Ram, surrender pride and embrace humility. Find your passion. Find your inner fire, the source of your passion and drive. As my devotion to Ram fueled my actions, connect with your inner motivation and purpose. Letting go of attachment. Let go of attachments that hinder your growth. As I renounce worldly possessions to serve Ram, release anything that prevents you from reaching your full potential. Courage and devotion. Lead by example as I led the Vanara army with courage and devotion. Inspire others through your actions and conduct. Focus on personal growth. Transformation is a continuous process, not a single event. As I continuously grow and evolve in my service to Ram, embrace personal growth as an ongoing journey. Trust and loyalty. Be loyal and supportive to those you care about, as I was a loyal and steadfast companion to Rama. Cultivate strong and meaningful relationships based on trust and loyalty. Self discipline. Develop unwavering self control as I master my desires and impulses through devotion to Ram. Practice moderation and discipline in all aspects of your life. Protect your loved ones. Protect those you care for as I protected Sita. Offer support and safeguard those who are vulnerable. तो ये थे सारे कार्ड्स. क्योंकि ये 72 कार्ड्स का डेक है तो मोटा मोटा हर चीज़ इस डेक ने कवर कर ली है. और मुझे पसंद है इस डेक के मैसेजेस। थोड़ा मैं जब भी टैरो रीडिंग्स करती हूँ तो मैं इंट्यूशन को फॉलो करती हूँ, अपने गट फीलिंग को फॉलो करती हूँ। और अगर आप इन कार्ड्स का डिस्क्रिप्शन नहीं भी पढ़ना चाहते हैं, केवल जो हेडलाइन है, जैसे इस कार्ड की हेडलाइन है प्रोटेक्ट योर लव्ड वंस, तो उनको पढ़ के भी आप इन कार्ड्स को अच्छे से मैसेजेस एक्सप्लेन कर सकते हैं। रेमेडीज मैं नहीं देती हूँ लोगों को, तो इस कार्ड्स में जो रेमेडीज बताई गई हैं वो मैं नहीं बताती हूँ लोगों को। तो बट यू डू यू, आपको जो सूट करता है आप वो करिए। तो ये था आज का वीडियो, और मैं जल्दी मिलूंगी आपसे नए वीडियोस के साथ। अगर वीडियो पसंद आया हो, या आप ये डेक खरीदें या आप ये डेक यूज करें, तो मुझे ज़रूर बताएं, और मैं जल्दी मिलूंगी आपसे नए वीडियो के साथ। तब तक टेक केयर, स्टे ब्लेस्ड, बी हैप्पी, थैंक यू।